Okay, I can talk now. Hi. Um, hello. Yeah, good morning. So I'm checking Twitch to see what sort of fancy thing is out there because it's supposed to be my affiliate anniversary and I see nothing. So I don't know if it's on my side. Like I thought there would be like maybe it's in the chat. It could be in the chat. Hmm. I thought there would be I don't know anything. Um, a button to say congratulations, a text, something. Anywho, good morning and good any time of day it is on your side. Um, yeah, today's stream is, I think, somewhat different from the normal ones, where I normally study. Yay! Happy stream anniversary! Hi, Coffee. What's up? Hi. Yeah, I set it to today. I really did. um, Same. Am I supposed to do something about it, or are the time zones different? Because I chose Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, as far as I know. Um, yeah, I really just double checked like 20 minutes ago. Just anywho, so yeah, today's stream is somewhat different. Ta-da! Where I wanna accomplish a life goal that I've had, which is add a tag on Twitch. That is very interesting. Interesting. Why not? I bet I should be able to do that. Um, yeah, I've wanted to um like do some Kaggle, do a Kaggle competition. Um, I have tried in the past, but I feel like I was out of my depth. But today's, do I write streamiversary or do I write affiliate anniversary? Um, I could just write the word anniversary, right? Anniversary. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Um, there we go. Anniversary, and done. Done and done. Okay. So yeah, let's do this. But as you might have seen from the title, today's coding will not be mostly by me. It will be monitored and supervised by me. My plan is to use ChatGPT, but if it fails, I will definitely jump to either DeepSeek or Claude or anything that's out there. So today's vibe is vibe coding. And I just saw that there's a huge text on my screen. No one saw that. Okay. So I'm not gonna jump into like established competitions that require probably a lot of work. I did see this playground. We can start from there. If we don't even finish, we shall see. There is something that the only research I've done is like click playground. See, some of them have expired in a way, and if you see, you can see closing soon. So some of them are completed, some of them have not completed, and there is only one that is still remaining. So I was like, can I try this? But yeah, so that's it. That's where I am. Um, okay, here we go. I'm gonna read through this, and then I mean, how vibe codey should we be? Because normally you can just like copy everything, give it to ChatGPT, and say plan what we should do. But let's be somewhat human. Apparently, this is season 5, episode 5 of the Playground series. Guessing there are more. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. I don't have enough information. Is this this looks like an AI image. Interesting. All right. Oh, probably each year. That's why it's season 5. started 2020. Welcome to the 2025 Kaggle Playground series. We plan to continue in the spirit of previous playgrounds, providing why so many P's, man? Anywho, interesting and approachable data sets for our community to practice their machine learning skills and anticipate a competition each month. Oh, that's nice. Your goal is to predict how many calories were burnt during a workout. This is very interesting. So it's a month thing. That's why 13 days has passed and 18 is to go. Our evaluation metric is the root mean squared. Ooh, log error. I've heard of the root mean squared error, but there's the log version of it. That is cool. To my understanding is that you calculate the distance between, or the difference between actual versus predicted, and then you get the root. Hold up, you square it, you get the root, and apparently you log it now. That is my understanding as far as I remember. In this equation, n is the total number of observations in the test set, okay? Meaning the number of rows. Oh yeah, okay, for all. Y with a hat on it is the predicted value of the target. And then this is actual, and then log is the natural algorithm. Submission file. I guess the whole point of competition is that you have a format for the input file, and then you have a format for the output file, and that's how you get judged for it. So submission file is, we have the ID of, I guess, the exercise. For each ID row, well, we're gonna have to look at the data. In the test set, you must predict the continuous target. Ooh, it is continuous. Calories. The file should contain a header and have the following format. So we have the quote-unquote table titles and then the values. So these are the IDs and these are the calories burnt. Yep, this is a May thingy. And cool. Do I read about this? Synthetically... Oh, the data is not real. Right? Awesome. So let's look at the data while we're here. So the data for this competition, both train and test, was generated from a deep learning model trained on calories burnt prediction dataset. Feature distributions are close to but not exactly the same as the original, so it is synthetic. Feel free to use the original dataset as a part of this competition, both to explore differences as well as to see whether incorporating the original... Oh no! You're giving us too much freedom. Get me out of here. Anywho. Yes. Whether incorporating the original in training improves the performance. No. We have the training, the test, and then sample submission. Thank you. Hi. I have decided to call you Momo, by the way. Let me know if you prefer that or not. Thanks. Oh, I should join the competition. Let's do this. Zoom out a bit and then join, and then it's going to ask me, do I have a... Yay. And now we can see the data. Thank you. Hi, thank you. Also, hello. How's everything going? How's life? This is submission. I wanna see test. Oh, right. This is our data. ID. Okay. Age, gender, height, weight. Yeah, height is probably important. Duration of the exercise, heart rate, and then body temperature. Ooh, my watch does not do body temperature, but it does do like heart rate and everything else. Yeah. This is probably from like Fitbit and stuff. Cool. Cool. So, other people's code. No thanks. Hmm. People are using Gemma? What do you mean? Oh, most used. Very interesting. Why use something so fancy? Like honestly. Oh, nice. Has a Discord channel. Um Rules? Like rules that I just accepted and did not read. Cool. Um Teams and submissions. Yee. That's it. So, that's it. That's all the information that's out there. Um in our This is our test set. In our train set, we should also have the calories burnt. Right, we do. And the sample submission would be the calories. Nice. Maybe vibe code the rules. How could one vibe code the rules? Yeah, I have already accepted the rules. Hold up, is there anything that is like against using AI? Because I doubt that. External data and tools, automated machine learning tools, may use automated machine learning tools. What does that mean? Okay, create a submission. Is that a yes? I'm absolutely gonna vibe code this. But I should like yeah, basically ask it to summarize and tell me the rules. Currently I'm ChatGPT, but I could do that. I suppose my question would be okay, here we go. We're doing this. We'll start. Wait. Do I like start with the rules or do I give it because I really want to give it the information about the competition and then say these are the rules because I think that would make more sense to me. Did we have anything here? Yes, we did. Okay. So, yeah, there really isn't that much information. So just let's start. Help me solve a Kaggle competition that has the below information. I mean, that's how I would start. I'm not on pro, no. No. Oh, on the rules. There we go. Okay. Cuz ChatGPT's limit seems far lower compared to Claude. Claude has like a lot more limits. All right. So I would give it overview. No, that's not it. You don't give it eval metric. You start with like, okay, describing what you have. So that and then so I give it this. So now it knows. And I give it train set columns. Ooh. That's cool. Can I copy you guys? Yes, I can. Up And hey, scroll sideways, please. Please, come on, you can do this. I trust you. No. Come on now, come on. That is embarrassing to me. What is with the selection? Okay, that's better. No worries. So, the train file has paste. Oh, okay, 9 columns. That is exactly a good thing to say. And then, hopefully, it really doesn't matter that I make it look pretty, because that'll be for human eyes. Test file contains the, oh, that's not how you write the word contain. The same columns minus the calories. I did not mute myself, right? Because I'm fighting with the microphone. Now I'm no longer fighting with the microphone. And then we'll say the submission should look like this, which is the point here, evaluation and submission file. And then we just give it this example as well. And that's mostly it, but yep. But is this a picture? If we Google this. Oh, hi. Wow. The first one is, I expected, yeah. There we go. Basically, is that, it is log. I just want to copy the, this. Hold up. Which is clearly not the same thing. You know what? Let's not copy other people's stuff. I'm sure it knows what this means. I'm gonna delete this part. It should know we're using root mean squared logarithmic error, and it should, I'm not muted, thank you. Yeah, and it should know what it means, so cool. Now, where did we say, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna copy this part just so that it knows we're using machine learning, and yeah. Kaggle, let's say playground competition. And then I'm gonna do, yeah. I think this should work. I will say, give me a step by step walkthrough the solution, basically. There we go. All right. Hopefully with the, yeah, I did say solution. So what did I do? Please go away. Understand the problem, predict the calories burned based on age, weight, etc. Type regression because it is continuous. Yes, that I have heard. Metric, RMSLE, which penalizes on. Is the text too small? Because I can read it, but it feels small to my eyes as well. Huh? Underestimations more than overestimations and is less sensitive to large outliers. Interesting. Yeah, memory updated. It probably says CL is participating in a Kaggle competition. You can hover on it actually, and it will. Yeah, see, CL is working. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Wait, why are you reading the submission file, baby? Why are you doing this? Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this within Kaggle, and see if that works. If not, then I'm not creating a new competition. No. Uh-oh. Ooh, I should have, okay, I'm gonna go through here. Thank you, thank you. I can get input from an existing competition. Yes! Oh, what am I supposed to click? I'm supposed to click add. There we go. I'm gonna put this competition as a message here for the time being, if anyone's interested. Okay, let's vibe code this. We have the input, and here's our output, and this is our vibe code. I don't know why we are reading the submission file. I supposed to write to it. You could just make a new one, you know? Cool. Calling pandas, reading them. Why are you printing? Oh, only train. There we go. All right. I'm gonna ignore this part and just run this. I don't need to install anything, do I? Thank you. Okay, I'll let it print. No, I was like, are you trying to print each like file? But no, it's actually only printing 5 rows of train, and then looking at the column names, and then looking at some like statistics info. Hello, yes, I am real, I think. Yeah, I'm real enough, I think. Mangesh. Hi. Hello. I'm supposed to say input / train, right? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's supposed to be like this? Really? Input. Am I supposed to do another / here? Let's try it. Just to, I should get the test one because it's the smallest, or submission file. That's the smallest. What'd I do? No such directory. Alright then, this is the full directory. And if we get an error here, I'm gonna say, wait, why? Oh, is that a folder name? Can I, oh, copy file path. Why, thank you. But that's, oh, my fault, absolutely my fault. So apparently you can just copy the file path. As a language model, yes. What am I? As a chatbot, welcome. Sadly, we're all human. No, we're not sad about it. I'm gonna delete this because I tested something, and the test is now, we know. Should I say path equals, and then this is our path, and now we can use our path like here. That should work, right? Uh-oh. Come on, what's with me and making silly mistakes? This should work, right? Yay, it did work. All right. So this is our top 5 data from the train, and this is the describe, which gives, wait, this is, oh, this is info. I got those two mixed, where it gives you column names and information about them. Example being if they're an integer, a float, an object, how many. Whoa, we have no null data? That is crazy. And also some like statistics on the information, like minimum number in duration. Is that 1 second to, oh no, probably minutes. Max is 30. And heart rate highest is 128. Yeah, nice. Okay, so cell 1 worked. Calories highest 300, good. 25 percentile, 50 percentile, the mean, the standard deviation, right? STD. Count, all of them are 75. Nope. Yes, 75,000. 1, 2, 3. Is that's 4? That's not 3. So it's 750,000. There we go. I need my glasses. So that was one thing. Things to look for: missing values, I see none. Distribution, especially of the calories, relationship between features and targets. Yeah, you then give me code that does that. Yeah, no. Pre-process the data. We're using scikit-learn already. What are we doing this? Okay. Encode. We're encoding categorical features. Yes, that's the only categorical feature. The other one is not categorical. So that's fancy. Le. Label encoder. Le. Thank you. We did that. We don't need to know anything more. Should I add the titles? Because I feel like that would be more cool if I actually do add the markdown titles. So that is, I guess, I will make it a mini header. And then you are a mini header. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I don't need to run you, right? Nope, I don't need to. And here, up here, we had. Is this lead code? Is this like lead code for data engineers? Good question. Sort of, right? I feel like maybe. Kaggle competitions are data focused. Like, yeah, they are data competitions, machine learning data competitions. As you can see, I am vibe coding my way through life for the time being. I'm gonna put that as well because that sounds cool. We're gonna keep this a title 1, 2, and then we do this one, and now we're good. Looks nice. More like advent of code. That is also another thing that I know about, that I didn't know about, but now I know about it thanks to Code Life. And also, wait, Code Life, what is wrong with me? Coffee. Wow, I just said my name. That is awkward. Yeah, no, I'm gonna remove this title thingy here. Yep. Stay. And we have exactly an hour. So if by the end of the hour we don't get anywhere, we'll have to do another yeah, so it's good to have a time. Should I have a timer? Countdown. ID. Drop ID, of course. Yeah, we don't need it. It does not add anything. So kill the ID. You can say, why are we dropping it twice? What the hell is happening? Oh, we're dropping it from train and test. Got it. Whatever change you do on train, you probably need to do it on test. And the good thing that the data set is already split. Check for missing values, if any. I think there aren't. You're supposed to do those things for me. Come on now. Another markdown, and it's a title. Oh, it's already split, dude. Oh, validation. Thank you. You're smarter than me. So what we're doing is we are, again, using scikit-learn, and dropping calories so that dropping calories, that's funny. I hate vibe coding as a student. Oh, I apologize if I am like bringing, like sad memories, annoying memories. Yeah, I feel like the only way vibe coding would be useful is when you actually review and understand the code. Is that? Oh, hold up. I actually have the definition of vibe coding in the YouTube um, description. So let's take a look at it before we continue, because there you go. Um, Approach to producing software by depending on AI, where a person describes a problem in a few sentences as a prompt to an LLM. LLM generates the code based on the description, shifting the programmer's role from manual coding to guiding, testing, and refining the code. So, like, I like this definition because it tells me I'm like the supervisor and not the person who copies and pastes. What? The term was introduced by Andre Karpathy in February 2025. That is so new. I didn't know that. Now I know. So yeah. I think if the meaning does not go to it, meaning you just copy and paste, I think it's not the worst thing, honestly. Cause like I love the fact that every random seed is 42. So we're taking 20% to be our evaluation, validation. Wait, is there a difference between evaluation and validation? I think there is. Yeah, no, I know what vibe coding means. I'm just saying some people think it's you just copy and paste and run it, and if it works, you don't think about it. But like trying to understand the code as much as you can. Yeah. And I put it in the description so that people who have not heard of it, yeah. So choosing a model. We can start simple, linear regression, random forest, XG boost. I have not heard of that, but here we go. I am somewhat curious if I can run the model at a like reasonable time. I feel like I won't. So I will make sure to post about it if it doesn't, like, the data is a lot. So let's see. I don't know much about this one. Here's our metric. Hello NumPy. This is our model. We have a random state. We have number of estimators and max depth being 4. I can probably ask why these two numbers. And then here's our train. X and Y fit. And then give us the predicted values. Here's the mean squared log error, which we got from here, and we're giving it to, interesting. I'm expecting this to take a lot of time, or run. Yes, no, I did not know. Andre Karpathy introduced it. That I did not know. Yes. And we have an error. When targets contain negative values? Huh. I mean, I'm gonna. In the original tweet, he said he accepts the code without understanding it and calls that vibe coding. Oh, cool. So, okay, let's say in step 5, yes. While okay, so the without understanding part is what he said, but like I feel like for students that part should not be without understanding, right? While running step 5, I got this error. Shoot, go. Help me. Why do we have negative numbers? Why didn't we visualize the data? Like, you should clip predictions to be non-negative. Yeah. Additionally, it's good practice to make sure it does not contain negative if there are any. I could probably say train dot, I don't know, like calories plot, but I'm gonna ask you, can you I love the fact that I'm like, can you do this? Obviously. Help me visualize the table. I want all the columns to be there. That's why I'm saying visualize the table, but it will probably tell me to do the, what is it called when you show all of them? Hold up. I know this. It's embarrassing. But I'm supposed to be vibe coding, and I will. But like you say, train dot, is it plot or PLT? Is it plot or PLT? And then you're supposed to call the thing matplotlib. But yeah, visual. Yes. Hold up. Is it train dot plot to visualize all the numerical columns? There we go. I'm doubtful the term originated in February 25. Ooh, would you look at that? I guess popularized, right? If you're vibe coding, you're doing it wrong. Ooh, MVP AI in Azure machine learning. LinkedIn machine learning is LinkedIn learning instructor. Honestly, I'd love to have LinkedIn learning course. Okay, you could sit down, write all the logic, and hope and pray it works. You could parse each line. This is shorter than I expected. Thanks for sharing that. Oh, where did my ChatGPT go? Yes, it is. Well then, show me. Pair plot. Just the quick overview is enough. You're overdoing it. You're overdoing it. I just want to look at the data. The end. Yeah, this is it. Yep, this is it. So we're doing hist. Hold up. That's not what I wanted. Sort of. I just want to see the negative data. Where's the negative data, you know? Can you see the negative data? Yeah, let's not trash on LinkedIn. Hi dog Furman. It was just an early you just googled it? Interesting. Yeah, that is nice. I eat all the negative data. You know what? بالعافية. Yeah. I've taken LinkedIn courses because it was something that was provided with my work, and I'm like, I'll take any certificate I get. Do I need to visualize more of the data? Because now I cannot see it. We have, yeah, okay. I'm gonna have a part where, ooh, I love Seaborn. I'm gonna give a title here that says, visualize data. Okay, that will help us. What's up? What did I do? Deprecated. Layout has changed to. Oh, you're still trying. Sorry. Oh, that's pretty. I don't need the pair plot. Look, okay, this is literally the only one that shows. Okay, maybe this one as well. Calories, heart rate. And also calories, obviously. But like some of them are not that informative. What else? Correlation. Bonus. Calories versus target. Anyway, I'm gonna stop wasting time because I feel like I'm wasting time. Do you guys feel like I'm wasting time? Wow, duration to calories, obviously. Heart rate to calories. Honestly, duration to calories again, which is the same thing here. Negative correlation, age and duration. I mean, yeah, it's tiring. Age to height. That's not negative though, but it's low. Anyway, I did not get the information that I needed. And what was I supposed to do? Fix this error. Which, okay, yeah, now I remember. Yes, I'm gonna leave the error here. I feel like I'm wasting time. Yay! I apologize. Please leave this stream if you feel like I'm wasting your time. I know that's not what you said. I'm trying to be funny. Is it working? Huh? Oh, wait. What are we doing? Hold up, hold up. Wait, where was the error? The error was in this part, which is here. Do we have the model? I'm gonna put this back here because I feel like, do we have the model? Okay, trying again. Okay. What else? Target this part. Oh, the next part is the nice. We don't have any. I feel like hi, hello. Is Jacob a new chatter? You're a new chatter. Wait, are you on YouTube? Oh, you are, because I feel like you're a new chatter. Every Kaggle competition I try, I get good results with feature selection and fine-tuning a model, and then just using XG boost always performs best. I had not heard of XG boost. Can you believe that? Please consider me a beginner in Kaggle competitions, and also, wow, you've done Kaggle competitions. Cool. Okay, we go back to the steps, and we are in step 5, but the whole model. The whole model. Step 6. Train on full data, because the other one was the validation. I lurk. Okay, hi. Thank you for lurking. And sorry about each time my phone going to sleep. I really tried to find a way to make sure the phone doesn't sleep. I downloaded an app that would this should take time, right? This is the one that should take time. This is information that you're telling me, right? Not an error. Is this information or is this an error? Shoot. Sorry. Let's go back to our work. Or just do this. There we go. Don't you dare kill the session that I had. Please tell me my session is still there. Is this an error or did it work? And why isn't it taking so much time that I want it to take time? I'm scared. Here are our predictions, people. And wait, show me some of the information for God's sake. Optional enhancements. I love my phone, but I don't know why it does this. Stacking models, fancy. So I don't want to submit yet. How can I visualize the predictions before I submit? Because I want to see what it looks like. Hi, D Trooper. I think this is an or. It's not an I, because an or is histogram predicted. You love histograms. So yeah, let's, before we submit, I'm guessing we have our submission. Yep, it's loading. File, which we can hopefully double click and open. No, this is not a Jupyter notebook. Let's look at what is happening. Huh? Did I? Oh, it was a markdown. Sorry. I was going to say visualize predictions and then a code. Interesting. Who cares about the frequency? But okay, these are our calories. The most is like down here. What else? Compare prediction. That's something useful, one would say. I'm being mean. That's not an error, that's a warning. Another warning. Whoa. Dude. My heart is like... If we submit... Can we submit? I'm scared. Version 1 and submit. Bismillah. Ya Allah, let's do this. Because it looked really pretty. Is there a different one? Check for negative outliers. I hope there aren't any. I can't add new code right yet. Can I? Oh, I can. Negative outliers. There shouldn't be any. Oh, we have negative predictions. I normally. Oh, see, I love Claude, and I have used it. Even at work, do not tell my supervisor. He knows. Wait, is that the place that the thing happens? Yes. But it's more limited than ChatGPT. Like ChatGPT answers a lot more prompts. Yeah. And what do I want to say? Yeah, I love Claude. I love DeepSeek. The whole shebang. Yay! Submission file not found because the name is different. Isn't it? Does it say? What's the name? It's just submission. Guys, we need to look at the submission file. We need to read and look at it. Which, do I write it myself or do I ask ChatGPT? Let's ask ChatGPT. This is the error we got. Fix it for us, basically. Which is a lie. Why is it not found? Is it my fault? Where is the submission file not found? There it is. Oh, it probably is not formatted the way it should be. Did we win? This feels like the meme. Did you win, son? Not yet, but we will. Kind of a try stuff stream. Absolutely, we're trying stuff. So what I'm gonna say, I got this error. To paste. I'm guessing the file format might be wrong. Can we view our that's not how you write view. Submission file question mark. I like Claude a lot for data science, but you have to be a bit more specific with the prompt. Oh, really? ChatGPT. I like ChatGPT sometimes, especially for deep search. I have not pressed deep search ever. Wasn't saved. Yes, it was. Didn't finish executing. It did. You're running. Yes. No, but I am in a Kaggle notebook. You must. I did. I really, really did. Check the file that we create before submitting. Okay. Let's check our file. I'm gonna add a markdown that says check our submission file. That's markdown. Why? Code. It's right there. Oh, ChatGPT does feel like a buddy. I also agree with you on that. What else? Preview the submission. Yeah, it should look like this. I agree with you. It should look like this. What I'm worried about is that it contains the old data, which then could be an error. Give me like more. Looks normal to me. It's missing the comma separated. Dude. Okay, look. Dude. It should be... Wait, no. I'm wrong. No, my bad. Obviously, it's saved as a comma separated file. I love the posts on Reddit that asks ChatGPT to stop trying to act like, like, you go girl, you did this, stuff like that, and just like give me the information as is without quote unquote glazing. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna download this file and not show my screen for a bit because I just want to see if it looks like a file. Comma separated, and I mean, yeah, it does. Is there a way to open it to Chrome so that I can just see the file? There, we can do this. Please, let's do this. Nope, I cannot open it to Chrome. It doesn't work anyways. Which part? Asking it to glaze or not glaze, which part? I mean, this looks really normal, and here's... oh. I'm gonna show you. Is Harish a new chatter? Hi Harish. If I show you my screen, should be fine, right? Ta-da! This is the file. Looks normal to me. ID and number. Now what? I'm just gonna... So the file is there. Paste. And this is the top 10 rows. Looks normal to me. If we read it as is, can I see the commas? Because this is the what do you call it? Calories. Hold up. Before I give you this, is the calories supposed to be capitalized? If we go to the submission file. Oh god, that was scary. Hi, thank you for...
Dog from ingest redeemed hydrate.
I should do that. If the work is all done by AI, what do we do? That's a very ethical question that I have not thought about. Oh yeah, it is capitalized. If you look at like 1800s like predictions to the 2000s, you see everybody's relaxing because robots are doing everything, but not in this capitalist world. Nope. Okay, so we can read our file like this to see the commas. Doesn't display commas. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's try this. If that's correct, then the issue is likely not the submission file. Okay, we just rerun the save. I can try that. Let's paste this part. Do we have the path correctly? Oh my god, it looks more normal to me than... thank you, I just hydrated. Help humanity achieve more. I hope so. But it will hurt a lot of people, probably. Do I rehydrate? because I did not hydrate on stream. Where is the... there it is. Okay, we're rehydrating. One more time. And then we go back to neutral. Ta-da! I think we can be against AI taking jobs, especially from artists, absolutely, while seeing the value in learning how AI works. I like, I was like, where did I say this? I like task specific AI far more than general AI, because then I know I'm using it for something. It's a tool, you know? But both are probably necessary. So apparently I'm supposed to rerun this part, which is saving. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. This here. Did it work? Did the fit work? Or was it an error? Because it's red. Oh my god, it's red. What does it mean? It means there's a mistake. I hope so. I really hope so. So the output to the like to step 6. I have half an hour, people. I have half an hour. Was like this, and the cell is like the output cell is red. That's it. Error or crash. Oh, interesting. There is no traceback though. Minimal debug block. Minimal? What is that? It's still red. We're gonna try this for the time being. Okay. There's scissor model. This is the fit for training, meaning it's training. The other one is not red though. Yeah. But this one's red. Wait, it's not red right now. But it's red when I click it. Hold up. Huh? Oh, I'm not gonna say where I work, but I have a normal job, like a normal person that has to do with working with data. Can you tell by my? So I'm gonna have these be different cells, just so that I can run them separately. Run and get information out of them. Okay, it's currently not red, but when I click it, it's red, meaning I'm making a mistake or there is a mistake happening. Someone, someone get me out of this. Oh, sorry. I should probably read on this. Allow me to vibe code in peace. Why should I learn about things? The fact that this is red has to be an error, right, people? But there is no traceback for me to look at. Like, my question would be, should there be, should there be an output to the model.fit cell? Because I feel like I'm still getting errors. And is it normally does not return anything visibly. If it's successful, it completes it silently. Showing a red cell without errors means silent crash. Okay, probably ran out of memory. I also have this idea. Okay. Okay, let's try and debug this. I'm gonna delete this because I did not use it. So let's not confuse myself with it. No, there isn't any null values. Really? We don't have any. We encoded it. Should be fine. What else? Another minimal fit test. Done fitting. I mean it. Okay, here's another test. Fitting the model. Done fitting. We're fit. Try catch. But it's a train. Hold up, was the other one upstairs a train as well? That... It is. It's a train. So why does this work? Is the loading of the model a problem? I don't get it. This worked fine. Step 3 worked. No, I'm not gonna, I'm gonna copy and paste and say this worked. That's all the information I can tell you. Actual fitting, okay. Now that, yeah, but it was on train. Are we supposed to train? We trained, okay. And then we predict, okay. I don't know. What do I do to you? I'm just gonna continue writing code upstairs. Something tells me we're not gonna. Like. Yeah, see, that worked. It's the same as last time. Yeah, no. Test. Make sure. I also want, before doing that, I wanna, yeah, sure. Hey! Where the hell is test? Processed? Where is that supposed to be? Thank you. Make sure matches training features? I don't have this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for chatting. Oh god, that scared me. And also
Dog from just followed. CL welcomes you.
Thank you for the follow. That's very kind of you. Thank you. Oh, we reached a follower goal. That's nice.
We reached our followers goal of 160. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. That's really awesome. Thank you. At such times of turmoil, it's good to have some what's the word? Achievements. Dude, you can't just give me a name of a table and have it not work. No, I did not cache it. It catched it. Catched it. Wait, was I supposed to run something up there? No, you didn't give me anything to run. We did do that. The features. Okay. These are our features. Okay. You need to apply the same to your test data. Then you can predict and save. Yeah, but again, you continuously are not giving me this. Yes, you are. You are here. Okay. Oh, isn't it just where is it? The one that we cleaned up. Isn't it just test? It's just test. We process test as is. Look, everything is here. I have a question. Did we drop the gender column? We have. Cool. I mean, the transformation already dropped it. The end, it's just test. Thank you, Momo. Where was I? I was supposed to be here. So it's just test. T-E-S-T with a 1 T, no, not 2. Ya Allah. And now the error is, apparently my test is not the processed version. I'm gonna reprocess it. But that's not, does it have ID? Did it have ID? I looked at it just now. Okay. But we dropped ID. There is no ID. Are we supposed to have ID? Oh. Is it supposed to have ID or not have ID? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh no. So here's the thing. Test doesn't have ID because we dropped it. That's wrong. Okay, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna have a test unprocess. How do you write the word process? It was right here. We're gonna have test unprocessed, so that we can have the ID. And I'm gonna only read this one because otherwise I'm gonna mess my code. Now we have you, and we can call the ID from there. Would that work? It better. Submission saved. I don't trust you. And then try and submit. Running. How can one say submission file not found? Can I read that error that we got? Did not output expected file. The rerun of your node appears to have completed, but when we looked, it wasn't there. But it is. Halted execution prevented the file from being written. Attempting to read non-existing. Is it Huzi incorrectly? Hi, hello. I feel like I'm being gaslit, you know? Is that how you write? You use the past version of gaslighting? Because it feels weird. Not found. Guys, help me. Oh, sorry. I don't have the tags. The project is I should have pinned that thingy that I put there. Here we go. Pinned. Project is at the top. Oh yeah, thanks. Thanks, Coffee. Okay. Is there a way for me to like paste the file? Because it looks normal to me. Like the ID is there, the submission is there. If you say submission, like let's do describe and see if that's normal, right? That's the size of the test file. How the hell is max 9999999? What is happening? What the hell is happening? Oh, it's ID. Whew, that scared me. Okay, this makes sense. Calories being 300 makes sense. Calories being 0 makes sense. Number of submissions. And if we do like, let's do a print. And then an info. It's not null. It's 250,000. I am sad. And I have 15 minutes. Oh, I can paste the file, right? No, can I? Install dependencies. What does that mean? Would it matter? This submission is the same as we just did. Save, sure. Anyone has any idea what I'm supposed to do? Because I'm somewhat lost. Somewhat. And if I go to submissions, can I copy and paste something? Apparently not. Up to 2 submissions will count. Yay, me too. I also don't know. Not knowing how to. Okay, here's my Hi, thank you.
Hussein correctly just followed.
Thank you.
CL welcomes you.
I really appreciate that. Yes. Right now, if you can tell, I am like down in the dumps. But thank you. My question right now is, can we submit the original submission file and try and compare? That's like my last attempt. Can we submit the original submission file, like take it from input to output, so that we can test this to see what the issue is? The question was to ChatGPT, by the way. There we go. Yep. Sample submission. What is happening? What the hell is happening? Clean test submission pipeline. No. That's, I didn't want you to give me the whole thing, dude. Dude. You got it wrong. You got it wrong. I'm gonna try again. I want to put the submission sample file into output to test submitting it, not the solution, without running the code. Did that make sense? I'm gonna remove this part. Yeah, there you go. Replace, yes, got it. Merci. We're gonna do it at the end. We're gonna call this a silly test. Oh, sorry, why is it all capital? Sorry. Silly test. And our path of the input file, is like this. Paste. There we go. And now it should replace this, and we should be able to submit. And if it does not find that one, or if it says there is, I'm gonna wait for this to stop. Hello? Wait. Oh, it's a button? No, it's refreshing. Huh. Interesting. Do I wait for it to submit? I mean, to stop refreshing before I press submit? Do I name it? Oh, I can name it. Okay. So it is version 3, but it is test, you know? It's a testing of the test. Test sample. There we go. Ya Allah, here we go. And if it approves, I'm gonna be mad. Because it probably approves, because it's its own file. I'm ready to be mad. Okay. Do I click this? I can click this. Ooh, I can look at logs? No, I couldn't. Not to the one that I was... Seems... What? Are these my logs? Previous logs? Right now logs? What was that? Ya Allah, absolutely. Okay, it's running. Oh, it's my notebook logs? Can we have logs at the top? Yay, guys! Same error! Alhamdulillah. What do we do now? Do we try another competition? Obviously not right now. I only have 10 minutes. Um, Fun. Absolutely fun. We failed. Oh, I can see the failure? Oh, thank God, I can see the failure. So let's look at it for the current version. It's trying to... Wait a second. It's trying to run my code? Obviously there's a failure. If I thought it's only looking at the submission file. This is the failure point that I introduced. That it's full of redundancies. Help! It's running my code? Somebody should have told me. Guys, I thought you were useful. I mean, not useful, helpful. I'm just gonna do a new notebook. This notebook is dead. Calories, but dead. This notebook is dead. New notebook. Because ChatGPT gave me this is the whole code part, and I'm gonna use this. And delete this if it's going to run. I can't. Okay. What is happening? It's just a print. It's fine. This is the whole thing, and we're gonna add input, and we're gonna get this, and then we go back, and then we go here. We copy train test. Oh, I could have done the path thing again, but hey, we're lazy. Nope. Now we need train. And what next? That's the whole thing, right? That's the whole thing. We run it. So the submission file not being found is because the code couldn't run? How rude. Recently, someone told me that they learned English through Friends, the TV show. And I'm like, cool. I have not seen Friends, but I've seen like all of Full House. And my humor is probably older because I think Friends is 90s to 2000s. Full House, I think? Is it mostly 80s or is it 70s to 80s? Yay! And now we submit. That's it. Bismillah. Let's do this. Okay, this hopefully will take 1-2 minutes, and I have 7-8 minutes, so hopefully something will happen. Where's my 0% error? Absolutely, we are speed running this Kaggle competition. I thought it's only taking the output like hashcode used to do. It doesn't care about your code, but I was wrong. Okay, scoring! People, look! Dude, successful! Chat is not helpful today, but it's okay. Even if I get like, I don't know, 1,000s complete? What does that mean? Oh, what? 87 to 95? Okay. Do we get a score? Public score? Sure. What does that mean? Select. What do I do with it? Yeah, sure. Select it for now. Should we look at the leaderboard? Because my score looks abysmal. Yep. Where are we? I said I want to be the thousands. Oh no. we're 1885, which I was just talking about the 1800s, so it works. We will try, and you know what? Okay, I got this much out of I don't know how many. This much. There we go. Can you optimize and give me the full code? I wanna try one more time. That's speedrunning again. 5 minutes to go. I wanna try. Oh wow, it's actually trying. I feel bad. Yay! We've done error analysis. Why? Error analyzing. Error analyzing, people. You know what? I could have actually done Claude, like comparing them. Oh, we're just changing the information here? What changes did you make? Fully optimize and portable version. What's the difference? What's the optimization part? Preprocessing? Oh, that's not what I meant when I said optimize. I meant sorry. No. Whoops. No, I meant I want a better submission. That sounds so rude. Like me saying, give me a better submission. There we go, better score. Thank you. Yeah, optimize hyperparameters, use k-fold cross-validation, add feature engineering. It also said you could use the, what the hell is happening? Get me out of here. It also said you can use the other data. I'm gonna try this one with a new notebook. If you can tell, I'm speedrunning. Work harder and even smarter. We're adding the input here. We're adding the code here. It's better to do the path thing. Feels easier for me. Is that my old notebook? Eee, scary. We take the path thing. And then I really need to go, but it's fine. I'm enjoying this too much. And we put it right. Oh, okay. Good to know. It's a single quote. Not that it matters. We do it here as well. And then we run. So let's look at the difference. So we have information here. Where's the... Okay, here's k-fold. Where are we using k-fold? There it is. K-fold cross-validation. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I should learn about this more. Oh, we had BMI? What is effort? Where the hell are these features? Are we calculating BMI? Did we? Oh, we did. That is interesting. Effort being duration, and that's feature engineering. Cool. Did we get an actual error or a warning error? That's so cool. We have a submission? No, we do not. Because it's running. Oh, now I get it. Let me read what it said. Yeah, feature engineering, k-fold. I'm not sure what this one does, but apparently more stable training and more optimized hyperparameters. BMI feature, effort feature, reduced overfitting gets a stable average. Cool. ChatGPT knows a thing or two, absolutely. Seems to know a thing or two. And then tuned XG boost, more estimators, plus early stop avoids under/overfitting. Fancy. Okay. And it's taking time? Yeah. Sorry. I almost went back. Okay, how do I entertain chat while this is running? I really like this. No, do I like it? I don't know. This loading screen, like, is mesmerizing to me. So let's just look at this. Do we think we are are we stuck or are we not stuck? User warning, early stopping rounds in fit method is, deprecated. Really? It's cool. We're cool. This test predictions comes from these, which is we're taking the predictions, dividing it by the k-fold and splits, number of splits, which is 5. Interesting. I think your ChatGPT is smarter. Huh? I'll fight with him at the end of every prompt. What? I'm guessing we're using the same ChatGPT. But, why? Am I being kind? I hope so. Because at the end, when robot uprising happens, who's the first one that gets, a harsher sentencing? Definitely you. It would be fun to have LLMs take us to court. I mean, fun is an interesting word. Look at CPU just dying out here. Okay. I will give another 5 minutes because it's annoying to have something left undone. But if it doesn't finish by then, I will promise with all of my heart to post about this in as many places as I can. Like YouTube community tab, Twitch stories, and maybe like X or and Blue Sky. These are all the places that I can think of. Discord is also a place I can think of. So, yes. But I got an error? No. But it's red. You know what? I don't care. It's red. Wait, where's my submission file? Also, where's the error? Why do we have this but not a submission file? Help. Where the hell is my submission file? How do we have submission.head but not a submission file? Red means win, absolutely. We are in China. Red is good. I'm not in China, people. I'm just saying. Where the hell is my... where is this? Because, why? See, this works. So how? Where's my submission file? I'm gonna rerun this just in case. And then get the error of yeah, your submission file is not there. Okay. People, help. How dare you? How dare you? Anyway, sorry. Bismillah, we submit again. Okay, last submission did not take as much as I feel like it should have, so I did say I'll give it 5 more minutes, and 3 more minutes is left of that 5 more minutes, so yallah, we got this. I think it shouldn't care if I have this view of the data, right? Because the saving of the submission is what matters. But if it does care, then we shall see. We shall see. Did you guys know, stock market and stuff, there are green numbers and red numbers, but in China, the green, I don't know if there's green, but the red means good, and so for us, red means bad. So that's something I learned, I think, on the podcast, the Tom Scott Lateral podcast, I think. Yeah. Question: does anybody listen to the Free Code Camp podcast? Because I've been binging it and enjoying it very much. Yeah, each time I go for a walk, it's in my ears. If not, I listen to too many podcasts and I love it. I'm scared. The other one, oh, not you, no. Not you. We don't talk about you. Nor you. Are you the successful one? Absolutely not. Where's our successful run? Because I want to know how long it took. You? No. You. Logs? Huh? 18 seconds? No, the code took a lot of time when we just ran it right now. How long did it take? Tell me how long it took you. Go back up. 7 minutes? I see the word 7 minutes here. Wait, it doesn't show the time? We're not on Colab? Colab shows the time, right? But I guess the 7 minute could be real. So it's been 3 minutes. You're testing me. It's cool. We've got this. We've got this. We can do this. I have patience. My middle name is Patience. I don't have a middle name, people. That's the joke. Yeah. We've got this. Thank you for appreciating my jokes. I appreciate that. I'm gonna wait until this goes to 10 minutes. I actually do have patience because I keep like giving myself more time when I'm actually running out of time because I need to. I'll be fine. I overslept yesterday. Like, I overslept by half an hour of my normal time getting up to work, and then I got work on time. What does that mean? It means I waste a lot of time in the morning. Because I like to have like half an hour for breakfast, and that's the time I slept. Oh, sorry. I'm a breakfast person. Only 4 minutes? Oh, 5 now. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool. What happened? Guys, scoring? Scoring? Maybe worse? My vote is on worse. No, actually, we have feature engineering. Okay. 1,500. Bismillah, let's do this. Is that good or bad? I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna deselect this, whatever that means. And then we're gonna go to the leaderboard. We're gonna jump. That's crazy. No, not top one yet. Look at the jump. 800 to 200. I mean, 1,000, obviously, but oh my god. Yeah, improvement. I could do this like probably 10 more times. I feel bad for people who actually solve it themselves. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. Forgive me. We have the same score as these two people. Tweet this. Why not? I'm gonna tweet this. A small price to pay for my social life. No. Also, I should hide my messages. You know what? I'm gonna tweet this, and you people need to like it. And also, I'm gonna blue sky this, whatever that means. There we go. Now we're back on the screen. I love the small price to pay for my social life. I'm gonna press tweet this again and take that one to blue sky because we're vibe coding our tweets as well, people. What did I do? Where did I take it? Oh, like I need to go back. Okay, let's go there, and then there, and then there, and then press tweet this again and see what it gives me. Oh, nothing? Oh, no. Do better. Do better. I love the small price to pay. Can you mention it's vibe coded? I mean, yeah, okay, small price to pay for my social life. Same. What I can mention, which I should be, I really like this. If anyone's interested, I recommend this one. It is data related. Mail-in. The mail-ins. Absolutely. I'm gonna absolutely mention that. Where is it? This is vibe coded, people. I used ChatGPT. Here's the proof. And then I link to my the YouTube live, which is currently right now. And that should be fine, right? And then we exit as well. Wait, no, not exit. Blue sky it. Thank you. ChatGPT used me? No. You saw this stream? What was I saying? I was about to say something. Oh, I'm gonna, for Blue Sky, I'm gonna have it as the answer to my post about me streaming and vibe coding. And then, yeah, that's it. Um, I don't like the fact that Mac does not have history of. There we go. Does not have history of pasted stuff. Okay. Sorry for being distracted while doing doing the posting. Thank you for being here. Honestly, I did not expect so many lovely people to show up. I truly appreciate that. Thank you for the follows and the likes and the and the subscriptions and all of that. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed this more than I should have. Like I feel like now I have a clutch of like I could vibe code this. Not great. Not great. So I gotta run, but I am thankful for the lovely people here, and I will be streaming on Friday, inshallah, where I'm studying the Hugging Face AI Agents course. So see you then, maybe. Same time as this stream. Today's Wednesday. For me, I don't know what date is for you. Probably apps for clipboard history. Probably. I should get onto that. Yeah. So thank you for being here. I'm gonna run. I appreciate you, and have a lovely rest of your day. I'm gonna go to the end screen. If anyone wants to say hi on the social platforms, I'd appreciate that. You don't have to. It's cool. Live your life. Yeah, not built in like Windows. Cool. I'm gonna go to the end screen, and thank you so much. I had a nice time today. Happy affiliate anniversary, which was what this was for. Yeah. I had a lovely day. I'm gonna go to work now. I need to make money. Goodbye. Thank you.